Hi, lovely people. How is your day going? So, if you read from my description, I am unboxing the February 2019 Marrier box. This is more like a lifestyle box that has some beauty and some other things in there. I really like this box. This is a $29 a month subscription. You do have to pay for shipping, but I have a discount code. I will leave it down below to save you some money off. I don't make anything out of it. It is just for you guys. One thing I like about this box that it is custom. Every box so far has something with my name on it, which it's more personable and I really like it. So let's begin and open and see what is in here. I have no idea. All right. So let's open her up like this. And guys, don't forget, if you don't know, I have 2 giveaways going on right now. I have a huge 2-year anniversary giveaway, and I have my offer giveaway that I believe is still open. All right, so that's what it looks like. When you open it up, it looks like this. It says, "For your love of me, February 2019. On the back, always tells you what everything is and the prices. All right, so it comes like this with like a little sticker. Ooh, okay, so that's what it looks like, what I see when I open the box. All right, so oh my God, would you look at this? And there's things in here. This is so cute. It's like a little bag and it has my name on there. And on the back says, "But first, champagne." Absolutely. Oh, that is gorgeous. See what I mean? How there's custom. A lot of times I get glasses, drinking glasses, and different things with my name on it. All right, so like I said, this has some stuff in there. All right. So the first thing that I see is a facial cleanser. Oh, you know what? I didn't even tell you anything about this. I'm so excited. All right, so the travel bag is $20. Okay. Then oh no. What in the world? Okay. Yeah, let's just act like you didn't see that. All right, so the first thing is this facial cleanser sponge. So I like that. I like to exfoliate. This would be, you can use this for a cleanser for your face or a pedi for your feet. And this is $5.99. Oh, and then we have a nice purple Milani eyeshadow. This is really, that is a beautiful color. It matches what I have on right now. I'm into purple now. I never used to like purple, but I'm into either green looks or purples are, you know, getting to be my favorite. All right, so this is a Milani Bella Eyes Gel Powder Eyeshadow, and it's $4.99. Let's see. Is it wrapped up? I don't have my little thingamajiggy. I don't know where it is. Let's see if I can open it up and do a little swatchy swatch. Okay. Ooh, guys, that's beautiful. Look at that. That is so pretty. And it feels good. Okay. So there we go. I don't know what's wrong with me. All right, so let me do another swatch because it's not that pigmented. Okay, so it does build up, but it's not like pigmented. I would put this, if I was doing a purple look, I would put this like in my transition shade. All right, but it's pretty. All right, and what else? This is the last thing that was in there. This bag is really, really pretty. Okay, what do we got? Oh, silver, and I love me some silver. All right, so we have this necklace, and we have the earrings, which is great. This would be more for like, I think if you had a nice pretty dress on, even if you wanted to just wear like a t-shirt, like a nice form-fitting shirt and some jeans to dress it up, you could do a lot of things with this. This is really pretty. I do like this, actually. I really do. And the earrings are cute. All right, so that's nice. All right, how much is that? So that would be $8. Wow, that's pretty good. $8. All right. The next thing is this bracelet here. Do you hear my phone ringing? It's on vibrate, but you can hear it. All right, so this would be $12.90. I'm not going to open this because my daughter loves these things, so I'm going to give this to her. I think that's really, really pretty. That is really pretty. All right, and last but not least, we have in here, and this is pretty heavy. All right, so this is what you be. Bath and Body Works Central Body Lotion. This is $13.50. And oh, I had just got this for my mom, a few things for Christmas, and I can't get it off. Okay, so there we go. This is like glass. This is really heavy. That is nice. But I got her the same exact one. So I'm definitely going to try this out. Put love in the air. Oh, that is so exciting to get this. Love this so much. So let's recap and let me know what you think of this box. So this would be $13.50. We have the Milani eyeshadow is $4.99. That is the swatchy swatch right there, if you can see it. We have this bracelet, which is really pretty. It's a gold Fermata inspirational bracelet. So that's good. Use this bracelet as a symbol of loving yourself always. I love that. This is $12.90. We have this exfoliator. You can put it on your face, your body, your feet, whatever you want to use it for. This is $5.99. We have this necklace and earrings, and that is worth how much? $8. And then we have this bag. I love this bag with my name on it, and that is $20. So what do you think? Do you think this box is worth $29? Let me know. And yeah, don't forget about the giveaways. Let me put everything in here so I can go through it, because this room here is a mess where I was separating everything for the giveaways. You should see it. It's quite embarrassing. But yeah, that's everything. If you're wondering what is on my eyes, I am wearing the ColourPop It's My Pleasure palette. And I'll show you real quick. I did this in my past video. I showed it. And that's what it looks like right there. Really, really pretty. These two shades here, this one and this one, you do get fallout. So I had to like wet my brush. And I always do my eye makeup first, so that was okay for me, but just to let you know. But so far, what I used of it, there's 9 shades. I used about 5 or 6 of them. I like them so far. Yeah, that's everything. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you get this box? Are you interested? What do you think? Let me know all the tea. And don't forget the giveaways. And I love you guys, and I will see you in my next I was going to say in my next giveaway. Oh my God. In my next video. All right. Bye.